Hey there, TV troubleshooters. Frustrated by a black screen on your Westinghouse TV? Well, you're not alone. In today's guide, I'm diving into how to fix the black screen on a Westinghouse TV so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without missing a beat. Step 1. Check the power source. First things first, let's ensure the issue isn't a simple power glitch. Double check that your TV is properly connected to a reliable power source. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait at least 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This can reset the power supply unit and sometimes resolves minor glitches. Ensure that the outlet is functioning by trying another device in the same socket or using a different outlet for the TV. Step 2. Inspect HDMI and other connections. Next up, we'll address connection issues. A loose or damaged HDMI cable can cause your screen to go black. Carefully inspect each cable connected to your TV. This includes HDMI, AV, and coaxial cables. Make sure that they're securely connected to both your TV and any peripheral devices. If you spot any worn cables, consider replacing them. Try using a different HDMI port on your TV, as ports can sometimes malfunction over time. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. Time for a quick reset to see if that fixes the issue. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall. Press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 15 to 20 seconds, not the remote. This helps discharge any residual power that might be causing the screen to freeze or remain black. Wait another 30 seconds, then plug the TV back in and power it on. See if this resolves the issue. Step 4. Firmware update. Outdated firmware could be the culprit behind a non-responsive screen. Check if there's a firmware update available for your Westinghouse TV. You can usually do this through the settings menu if your TV is connected to the internet. Alternatively, visit the Westinghouse support website for instructions on updating firmware using a USB drive. Keeping your firmware up to date can enhance performance and fix bugs that might be causing display issues. Step 5. Factory reset. If the black screen persists, consider performing a factory reset as a last resort. Be warned, this will erase all settings and restore the TV to its original state. Navigate to the settings menu, find the reset option, and follow the on-screen instructions to perform a factory reset. If your TV displays a black screen consistently, you may need to consult the user manual or seek help online for alternative reset methods. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to fix the black screen on a Westinghouse TV. From checking your power supply and cable connections to performing resets and firmware updates, these steps should cover all bases. If your black screen woes continue after trying these solutions, it might be time to contact a professional or Westinghouse customer support for further assistance. Remember, patience is key with tech troubleshooting, and you're one step closer to getting back to your streaming marathons. Good luck, and may your TV screens be bright and colorful again soon.